Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have spoilers for the Fabfitfun Fall Box. Now this is a seasonal subscription. You're going to get it every winter, spring, summer, and fall, and it's only $49.99. But if you use the link in my description below, you're going to get $10 off your first box. This is a lifestyle box, so you're going to get skincare, makeup, home decor. You're going to get things that you will definitely love. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the spoilers that I have for you so far. The first customization is for all subscribers. You could choose one of three options. Unfortunately, upon further inspection, the Mobile White Advanced Teeth Whitening Kit has been removed from the fall box. Due to circumstances beyond our control, it is no longer pictured as a customization option. We apologize for the inconvenience. Unfortunately, this really sucks because this is the item I was really looking forward to. Now here are the items that are available to choose from. The Plush Ultra Soft Fringe Scarf, which retails for $75. Or you can choose the Standard Perfect Ceramic Styler. This tool has a value of $80. Now your last option in this category is the Anthropologie Travel Yoga Mat, and this mat retails for $50. Customization number 2, all subscribers could choose from one of four options. The first item in this category is the Kate Spade New York Lunch Tote Bag. Or you can choose these detox pads. Next option would be cut from the cloth, the Slim Stripped Wallet. And the last item from this category is the Twine Cheese Board with Plate. I don't have any of the prices for this category, but don't worry, I will definitely update you. Now for customization number 3, seasonal subscribers will be able to choose one of the four items. The first option in this category is the Bubble Bar Ear Crawlers. The next option is for Better Skin Co., and that's the Lava Magic Cleanser. And the last item in this category is the Cosmetics Pure C Vitamin C Mixing Crystals. Customization number 4 is for annual subscribers only, and you'll be able to choose one of four items. The first item in this category is the Paris Dole Salt and Pepper Meal. Your next option is the After Spa Hair Towel Wrap. The next item, I'm going to say it wrong because I'm always corrected in the comments, but that's the True Sequi Mini Eye Essentials. The last item is the Skin Volt Body Boost Gel. Last is customization number 5, and this is for annual subscribers. The first item you can select is the Aromatherapy Deep Relax Roller Ball. Or you can choose the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. This comes in a pack of 6. The last option you could choose is from Skin & Co. It's the Roma Truffle Therapy Face Toner. What do you think of the spoilers? Well, customization is now available for all subscribers. So head on over to Fabfitfun.com and customize your box today. Alright guys, that's all I have for you. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a spoiler. As always, I love you, and now catch you in the comments below.